What if I tell you that with these few days remaining for IIT JEE, you can still score 40 to 50 more marks in maths section without even trying a new chapter? Will you believe me? Today, we are going to decode that this exam is more about strategy and execution instead of just talent and skill. A lot of students have this goal in mind that they are in a rush to complete the syllabus, while we want you to focus and convert your preparation into marks, whatever studies you have done so far. Why do you not treat these 25 questions in IIT JEE Maths section as a buffet, as a pool of questions from which you got to select 10 to 12 absolutely correct questions to score extremely well? Now, the criteria on which you should select these questions should be that are these questions direct formula based? Can I solve these questions with the help of graphs? Do they use single concepts so that I can solve them immediately and quickly? So don't waste your time on those questions which use multiple concepts, which are lengthy in calculation. And even at this stage, with these few remaining days, you can focus on those chapters which are highly rewarding, which are high on ROI, which give you maximum output with minimum input. These chapters are matrices and determinants, vectors and 3D, limits and continuity, quadratic equations and complex numbers, straight lines and circles. When you focus on these chapters, they have direct formula-based questions. There is no creativity done on these chapters, and that's the advantage you should seek. And you should know the nuances which are there in these chapters. For example, if the determinant is 0, we know there are infinite solutions. If the dot product is 0, the vectors are perpendicular. The question will solve itself automatically if you know these nuances. Trust me, have faith in that. And whenever you revise these chapters, spend first 30 minutes in revising the formulae. Once you have done the theory in 30 minutes only every day, focus on the previous year's questions of that chapter. While solving the questions, let's say you stuck somewhere. Then analyze your mistake. What kind of mistake are you committing? Is it a conceptual error or is it a silly calculation-based error? And after that, do revise that particular concept only and fix it. Don't go for that entire chapter's revision. That's again a time-wasting feature which you are adapting. And why do you not treat options as hints? They are not your enemies. For example, if there is a range-based questions, now try the extreme values from the options. Your job is done, your question is done. A lot many lengthy questions can be done or eliminated with the help of options if you analyze optimally. I'm sure when you write IIT JEE mains and when you see your result, you will be confident in saying that I'm glad that I had a profound strategy and I did not waste my time. Now stop watching this video, go to your notebooks, open them and start studying, start preparing.